Hello, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. I would like to share about our sustained product. But before that, I would like to introduce myself, Muhammad Ashraf, and my member group, Muhammad Hakimi and Muhammad Lukman Hakim. We managed to choose water purifier as our sustained product. For the Ecodesign web, there is so many colors that define the impact, the different impact of the product, alright, in every aspect, such as the new ways of doing it by reduced cost by the service the product itself. Alright, the material selection, we chose plastic for the casing, rubber for the water hose, stainless steel for the water tank. Material usage, as you can see, it is good. It's attached on the green color. Plastic casing to protect the inside the water purifier, and rubber water hose use the water flow for the water flow. The water flow very sustained because they use a good material to flow the hot water and the cold water. And the last, stainless steel for the water tank, anterior water tank. Right. The third one is distribution. Distribution is shipping and packaging from Korea, spare part from Korea. Right. It goes on the red color because it is very bad, very far away from our country. Product use is managed to go on a green one, good, because automatically refill water and electricity consumable. Unlimited sources, unlimited water because it's from the in-house. Alright, and optimal life, need to maintain easy way to access clean water, spare part difficult to find. Later I will explain about the distribution. End of life, can you reuse, can recycle, can be refurbished, goes on the green, the very good one. Alright, because this product actually, when the customer don't want to use this service anymore, they can repair, or the item is damaged, we can repair and sell back to the customer, and we managed to change the new spare part for the water purifier. All right, improvement. I would like to explain about the two improvement that we can abstract from the Ecodesign web, which is have the bad impact from the water purifier. The first one is distribution. To cut transportation delivery costs, open a production branch in Malaysia. For the spare part component, provide a store in each state of Malaysia. Means that we have the branch of the warehouse at each of every state in Malaysia for the entire Malaysia, because our customer of the purifier is having a good, we have a lot of customer in every state, a good percentage for the sale for the water purifier. So the stock is ready stock, and stock is always been there. They don't need to order direct from Korea. We have to order a lot of bulk spare part, so the customer no need to wait a longer time to repair their water purifier. Alright, second, optimal life. Repair and maintenance manuals should be provided. By performing maintenance on its own, it can save money and time. Alright, from this sentence we know that we want to replace the maintenance worker have to come to the house and repair water purifier. We managed to give them the manual book, give the customer the manual book and the repair kit, so that they can repair themselves. Repair the water purifier themselves, to reduce time, to reduce the cost, so that we don't need to go there and to go there and repair their water purifier. Instead of they can repair themselves the water purifier. Right. For the conclusion, what we can conclude, the product that we selected is a water purifier, Cuckoo, and we determine that the outcome is satisfactory since there are two aspects in the poor rate, as I explained before. This is optimal life. Satisfactory, there are two aspects in the poor rate. As a result, we must improve the bad rate aspect in order to make it more sustainable. Alright, that's all that I can share for you for the water purifier and the Ecodesign web improvement and the conclusion. Alright, thank you. Assalamualaikum.